All right. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to be riding this thing again. So let's continue with this scooter thing. There's a lot of cover in this video, so it might be another long one. And funnily enough, the guy Frederick Logue still hasn't sent me his stuff, so I don't know. Whoa. That's the cops. All right, where to start? Okay, well, I guess right here in front of me. This is the old valve cover, and I was like, oh, I don't know what I'm going to do. Am I going to leave the EGR? Well, I have no choice because I bought a non-EGR head, and it doesn't have the, how does this go like this? See, it doesn't work. So I ended up going onto the eBay machine. It's all dirty already, and I got a new EGR, non-EGR valve cover. But then these are the, where are they? No, those aren't them. Is it here? Where is it? Yeah, right here. These are the original 4, why is it so dirty? Valve cover bolts. And of course they're, 2 of them will work. And then I found a third one. I was like, I'm screwed. I'm going to go to my hardware store, and I just got some Allen head screws. We'll just put those in the bin. So what next? Oh yeah, I went through my bolts, and these are the 4 bolts that hold the, I don't know, it's like a metal, it's kind of back here underneath all my stuff. It's a metal bracket that goes around the outside of the seats like a handle bumper thingy. And they're all, these 2 are 2 different sizes, which is weird. And I didn't have 2, so I put these 2 on it, and I have more. So the thing I'm going to do is just take 2 more of these bolts and just put these in the bin. So that way they're all the same. We have to do the weld thing. Let me get my light this time so you can see what I'm talking about. Just something else I want to do in this video. There's these 2 tacks, and cut those tacks and weld a new nut on there, and then use one of these bolts, this bolt here. Okay, I can get rid of the light now. So the shrouds, another thing I want to talk about before we get started. These are, you go under here. This one had a little bump out from the original EGR. But these things have, this one's a better one because it's still kind of there on this one. We have these little plastic, I don't know, like grommet thingies, and there's chunks of them here. They're just disintegrating, So I found some old vacuum line, and I cut pieces, and I replaced this one completely. This is the exhaust side. I replaced those. What else did I do when you guys weren't looking? Oh, I repainted the exhaust with that, what is it? It's right here, this Rust-Oleum 1200 degree high heat barbecue paint, like I do with all my exhaust. Turned out really nice. That's high heat paint, so it should stay like that. All the other ones have kind of stayed. So I got to put some studs and stuff into this engine. Where are they? Like exhaust studs and intake studs. They're all right here. There's the intake studs, the exhaust studs. Yeah, and that's it. So why don't we just get started? Just fling the O-ring across the ring. I did set these valves. I'm not going to tell you what I set them to. I spun the engine over earlier and it's got lots of compression. So I'm pretty sure I timed it right. Who knows? Okay, so now putting the spark plug in, I think that's kind of buttoning up the engine so far. Now we're going to work on the swing arm business, which I'm still not quite sure if I've got a good solution for. I might just end up using the old bolts, which sucks because I don't like the way they are. So what we have in the box of goodies here, I have, okay, these are the originals. We're going to need this too. This is the intake O-ring, which I got to put in the intake manifold, and this sits up into the head. I guess I got to fidget that in when I put the exhaust in. Someone's playing with the mini bikes again. It's already kind of corroded. These are brand new. So, see, I don't know. I got to do the exhaust and this all at once. So, this paint job turned out really cool. I think like this, maybe. How are you supposed to do that? Oh, someone's car is getting stolen. All at once, come on. Yeah, there we go. Now, did I get the fire ring in the right place? Now, this is, yeah. I don't know. I don't know. Is it like supposed to You're supposed to be able to see it or something, or because I can't. That's kind of a funky design, if you ask me. Like I said, I've never done one of these. I can't even see it. That's retarded. Quit saying retarded. It's not politically correct, Wesley. I can see the bolt head. That's about it. Is there a way? Oh. Let me try to figure this out. Okay, what I've done is, since this little, see, it just doesn't want to stay. This little ring. Oh, this is not going to work. Is it going to? It should work. I'm trying to just loosely electrical tape it in place. And it's just too loose. Yeah, a little bit. I guess it's got to be quick, I guess. And I'll pull the tape out after I get it in place. I got to try this again. I think this will work, though. Okay, I had to... Hold on, turn this back on. I had to turn you off because this took a lot of concentration. So these are just loose in here, right? I should be able to just... Yeah, see, I got the whole thing. I just invented a trick. I bet that's how they do it at the factory, though, too. Let me tighten this up. Okay, now I just want to see. I didn't get those exhaust bolts tight. After I said that, I was like, no, you can't do that. This is fidgety. I don't know why it's made like this. Such a weird design. It's not a swing arm. It's just a locating bracket or something. I don't know. I think I need a impact helper. Hold on. I believe those are 1/2 inch. So that's 12. Of course, that's 12. There we go. Yeah, that's wrong. Yeah, okay, so most people would cut out all these blunders. Yeah, see, that's not going to work. I have to use the goofy ones. Oh, it sucks. Oh, well. I tried to be clever. This one had a nut on the back. I don't know why. The threads seem to be okay. Let's see what my little impact says about the threads. Yeah, they're fine. I'm going to put it on anyways. God, that's so long. It doesn't have to be that long.
That's what she said.
Dropping stuff. That's like a theme in this video. There. Now I think we got to put it back in the bite. Oh no, I got to weld that thing. Crap. Okay, my plan is. Oh, hold on, let me get these tight. Let go. Okay, let go. Okay, that's fine. I have these bolts. All right, so I put a big flangey washer, and I'm going to stick it through here and kind of center this nut. Of course, after I cut it off, and then tighten it down, and then try to weld it in place. So, yeah, let me do that. Okay, let's see how this goes. Yeah. I have to climb in from the side here, like this, I guess. Is there another tack? No, just the two. Let me get a small hammer. Oh, you're right. Can you see? Still see? All right, I'm just gonna grab a small hammer, and then we'll see if we can knock this off. Of course not. Okay, just let me. I think that top one is sticking, because I really got a lot of that.
Keep going, I guess, with this.
Let me try something. I'm going to take the old bolt, right, and thread this in this way. Yeah, see, it only goes about one thread. Oh, yeah, there we go. Got it. Yeah. Awesome. Now I have this hot thing. Let's clean this off a bit. That's good. A few tacks. So then my plan is, like I said, the bolt got a big washer here. This is pretty sloppy. Something like that. And let me get my welder. It's set to kill. You know, what's the word? Like high, super high voltage. Now I don't think I need my mask. I'm just gonna try to wing it. Dang it! Is my gas on? Yeah, it's on. Yeah. Do another one here. Close my eyes. And boom goes the dynamite, you know? I'm gonna do this one again. And do this one again. Oh, that was bad. Hold on. There we go. Okay. Now we'll just don't worry that. Put a little lick of paint on that. Where's that kind of black spray paint I had yesterday? Here it is. Not cutting away. I'll just take this off. Take this out. Oh yeah, we did it. It's fine. It comes out. It's not like. I think what happened with the other one, I never said. They had when they made it, I think they had their nut alignment way off because it seemed like it wasn't really the nut that messed it up, but it was hitting the base metal here, the steel. I really think that's what it was. So we'll just color match this, bake on this, and whatever this is. Make sure I definitely hit that part where I nicked it with a grinder. That one, now they both match because I painted the other one. Now I have to wait till that dries. and then we'll put the motor in. Cool. Wait, I gotta get this O-ring on here. Can I get this out? My claws. Hold on. Can you see what I'm doing? Check this out. Take this out right now. Come on. Put the new one in before I forget. Because I have it and I will forget that I have it, and hopefully this is the correct one. What the? Awesome. Let's just put this back. Okay. All right. Perfect. Okay, I missed some under here. This paint right there. I got it. Let's go. We got it. Yeah. What is that? I don't know. But I also forgot to say, I don't know if you've seen this earlier, but there's a big crack in the battery box floorboard area here. So I did the old zip tie thing. You notice how you can't see none of the heads? Yeah, I had to pull this whole plastic off, which was a pain in the ass, but because there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws, because there's screws here and there. So 12 screws, and these wires had to get fished through. But that's all I want to say. You guys ready to watch me bull honk this thing? I'm dreading this part. I gotta pick this up, get it off the table. Okay. Just sit here, sit down slow. Ow. Okay. I'm gonna try to get it like kind of in the right spot. Get out of here. Carburetor. Can I swing this carburetor out? Stay. Okay, now it's gonna be fun. It's like monkey fucking a football. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna have to. Okay. Oh. There's gotta be a better way. Okay, I got these blocks. Hopefully, I can. Why is that dog always barking? I can get these to help me. This would be nice if I had another person. I just gotta remember, the tire's flat. I deflated the tire. I don't know if you can tell, because I wanted to check out the brakes. I didn't show that either because the brakes are fine. But I pulled the wheel off, and you have to get the tire flat to pull the wheel off. So, okay, nope. So he's got to go up way in there. This is helping, though. I can swear. I can tell. It's better. Yeah. Wires, cables out of the way. What is this? What is this? Oh, that's fine. What? It goes inside there? Okay. That makes sense. Okay, that's actually really good. So I actually have like a 2x4 extra. I know I need some screwdrivers to like jam in the holes. Here's one, and here's another one. Okay. Can you see what I'm doing? Okay. Right here, it's super close. So we'll try to get that one first. This is, this is hard to do. Okay, screwdriver, engage. Okay, I got one. Now, I gotta get a bolt ready. Now, before I get a bolt ready, I want to talk about something. So this bolt right here. And this bolt are the ones we're going to use. But only one of these has these little spacers. But this is the benefit of having a hoard. Because over here, I dumped out my washer bucket. It's got a couple of washers there. And I found this thing. It's a little thicker. Just a little bit, you know. But I think it'll be fine because one of these bolts had a shim on here and the other one didn't. So I'm going to put the big one on this one. And the little one on this one. On there. Okay. So I got our bolts. I'll set you back here. Okay. Now I'm going to try to get this other bolt started. The hard bolt. And this is going to go to that side because that's the one with the welded one. Okay. So close. It's like about an inch away. I just got to manhandle it. Bolt. Oh, yeah, see? It's just got to. How's it doing? Is it good? It looks like it's working. What do I do here? Just kind of. Oh, the things I do for scooters. Oh, most people wouldn't do this. I don't think. I need my impact helper. Where'd you go? There you are. Oh, the socket's still on the ground from before. I believe these are 1/2 inch. Okay, I'm back. Let me see what happens when I. What? Okay. What? That's good. Perfect. Now, let's grab this one. Is this too long of a clip? Should I edit this down? Okay. The screwdriver is not necessary anymore. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. Okay. And okay, it's kind of in there. Just got to do these shock bolts and plug everything in. Oh, that was fun. Where's my cat? Penny. Oh, okay. So now I just need to get these. The zip tie's still there. I gotta remember to put that little weird. Why is this so tight? I don't remember it being that tight. What's going on? Oh. Ow. Okay. So here's the shock bolts. And before I said they were, they're 13 mil on one side and 14 on the other. And I'm going to try to stab them. I wanted to put them in, the nuts in, but it might be too hard to do. I wonder if I can just oh yeah, I can do that. Okay, so just heave this down way far. I smell gasoline. Why are these crooked? I never twisted that. That doesn't matter. Okay. Just need this one bolt for now. So we push down. Oh, really hard. There. Okay. Just do that again. Put the nut on loosely. It's getting colder out. It was like in 90s every day, but now it's like in the 60s. And around here, that just means I'm gonna have to like, what's going on here? Get out of here! Get off! And this here, this one should go a lot easier because it's already kind of, but you know, kind of, you know what I mean? Can you try it? Come on! I gotta get a better angle. Like this, use my girth. Can you see still? Probably not. I don't know. Why I'm making this. This is a weird angle. Ah, there. Yeah, out of breath. Doesn't make any sense. I'm in like perfect specimen of health, you know. Okay, so you guys want to see me connect everything this time around? Oh my gosh, really? Fine. I'll just use the regular side here. Tighten that really tight. Fast forwarding. What? Fine. Fast forwarding the footage. Ratchet wrenches are a godsend. Sent from the God. I like how that bolt's just staying there. I don't have to have a wrench. I got the other wrench right here. Just hold it. Let's try it on this side. Probably won't work on this side. Yeah, it's working. So, hey, if you made it this far in the video, it's probably another 47.5 minute video or something. Thank you for watching. And it's awesome. Thank you guys so much. I made like 1,300 subscribers. I know I said I was going to make a 1,000 subscriber video, and I probably still will. But I had to, since I switched computers. Oh, what? Of course it's pinching a freaking wire. Stupid. There we go. Okay. Why did that wire just drip? That's just water. Okay. What was I saying? Oh yeah, 1,000 subscriber video. Of course, now it's not doing it. But I had, like I said, I got a new computer, and I don't know if you've ever made a bunch of videos, and I'm one of those weirdos. I kept everything. I kept every clip, every one you never seen, every clip that, you know, I have this file, it says cutting room floor. There's videos I made that I never edited. Oh, here goes my son. And derailed thought process. Okay, hold on a second. Did you give me a new hat? What? Is that a Wagner painting hat?
No, it's...
Hey, that was my son. Check out this new hat he just got me. HRA Camping World Pro Stock Bristol. It's yellow. It's my favorite color. He knows I collect hats. You probably should know that by now. I have like 30 or 40. I don't know, a lot of hats. Oh boy, that was close. Like I was saying though, I kind of got off track there. So okay, yeah, cutting room floor. A lot of videos at the cutting room floor. And I had, because what I had to do is I had to take a bunch of footage off of my old computer and put it on my new computer, which takes, when you got that many gigs, it takes a long time. It really did. I have like a 2 terabit, 3 terabit external hard drive that it took me like months to get it all transferred. I finally just recently got it all transferred over, so I'm going to make the 1,000 subscriber video. And hopefully you guys will like it. I don't know. I think I'll like it. Now this is the... What was that? What was that? It's a vent. I need that. Give me that back. I can't even reach that. I can't. It's right here. So putting the carburetor back on. Now I'm gonna have to plug this right here because that was part of that EGR. I got a thing of plugs. I got this is loose because I was trying to pull it off there and I didn't. There we go. This thing I think went right there. Yep. Now I just got to figure out where everything I took off it. I might have to watch that video because well, this is pretty simple. Can you see? Can you see what I'm doing here? Oh, a little bit. Okay. These are pretty simple. This one's a 3-plug. Snaps into there. And then there's, well, that goes to the turn signals. And then there's this one. Where's that? It's a 4-plugger. Where's that? This is battery. What is this? Oh, no. Oh. Okay. 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 What goes into this? Scanning. Scanning. So this, I know what this is. This is the carburetor vent. And I probably should put that on before I put this on. There's a springy deal here. Goes the carburetor vent. This is fidgety work. Yeah, so look forward to in the future a 1,000 subscriber video because I'm super appreciative and like I've said before, if I had it my way, this is all I would do. You know, I would just make YouTube videos. But come on, come on, come on, get on there! What the heck's okay? All right, I'm fine. Where this is bugging me. Where is this? Is there connectors on that? This is the spark plug. It goes in. I have to undo one of the valve cover screws because I know that has a ground wire right there. Just plugged in the. Yeah, that's that ground wire. But what is this? Okay, we have this goes up here to that. Speeding up the footage. There's that. There's no way this didn't go to nothing. What is this? Oh, I know. This is the fuel. What? Well, okay. I do know there's these 2 wires here. One's blue with a white stripe. One's red, which goes to the blue with a yellow stripe. That one goes there. And then the black and red goes to the red and black. It's fine. Very not confusing at all. So that CDI box, EGR box, ground, spark plug, automatic choke. I learned what that was. In the last video, I had no idea what it was, but now I know. Well, huh. Okay. I'm thoroughly confused now. That's good. This is where we'll leave off, though. I think this is it. I have to watch my old video. Let's see. I gotta tighten that. Let's not put that off yet. Oh, watch my old videos. See what. I'll put the ground on. I'll do that off camera because it's kind of fidgety. And maybe that's some kind of thing that was never plugged in and I just didn't notice. Yep. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. This is 3, but there's 4. Great. Well, the neighbor dogs are going freaking berserk. I got one of these things. We're going to put it right. Can you, hold on. Here we go. In the frame, Wesley. Bazinga. And then I got this. That. And this one. There we go. All right. I know you're wanting me to start it in this video, but there's still a lot of stuff I have to do. I'll talk about this in the next video, but I got some Rotella and some ZDDP. You see that? ZDDP STP treatment. And that's what I'm going to use for like the first couple of break-in oils. I didn't want to spend the like $1 million a quart that they charge now for stuff. So yeah, check out this hat my kid got me. It's yellow. It's awesome. All right. So, all right, you guys, thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing. Okay, guys, I couldn't leave you hanging like that. I changed the oil and I put in the it's a Rotella 1540, which is weird because this thing actually acts for 1540, and it had a touch of the STP in it. I topped her off. You know, I didn't spill any of it, I promise. But let's just see. It's a moment of truth. I got oil everywhere, but. The key on. Oh, I did it! Look at her purr! Listen to her purr, guys! Oh, yeah. Sounds so good. Oh, the burger is kind of loose. What? Get that later. Oh, yeah. All right, shut it off. Shut it off. Okay. All right. Now. Take it easy. All right. So, all right, you guys, thanks for watching, liking and subscribing, stuff like that. Before I end the video, Frederick, please, in the last video, in the comment section, I put my email. It's eyesofapanther28@gmail.com. Lowercase, all one word, eyesofapanther28@gmail.com. And if anyone else is watching this, you want to email me something, that's my email address. Send me an email. That's cool. I'm pretty sure that connector doesn't go to nothing. I'm going to review the footage. Yeah. So that's it for this video. So thank you guys for watching, and let's take it easy. Oh.